Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to simply cancel your Spotify premium plan. It's very simple, so give this video a like, hit the subscribe button. Unfortunately, you cannot do this from the app, so you want to open up Safari, go to open.spotify.com. Then you have three dashes at the top right corner right here. I don't because I already logged in. Click the three dashes, login. That's all you have to do. After that, you want to click on the settings at the top right corner. Again, settings, and you want to click on view account, which is the first option, which will get you to this menu right here. Here you want to navigate down to manage your plan. You want to click on cancel plan or change plan, and then you have the cancel plan. That's all you have to do. If this video helped you out, give me a like. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. And I want to see you in the next one. If you're still having any issues whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. See you soon. Bye.